first we want to talk a little bit about is your basement tonight and some things that you can do that we're seeing in the marketplace now where people like to enjoy an active lifestyle.
Are you a DIYer looking to sharpen your skills? Looking for solutions for home improvement issues? Getting advice when needing to hire a contractor? And staying up to date on the latest the industry has to offer on news and trends? You are in the right place. Welcome to Discover Your Home with your host, Mark Lotz.
What I want to consider is, instead of going into that health club, you got to worry about snow, traffic, and all those bad things that go on in life. Health clubs sometimes may not be as always sanitary as you'd like them to be. You also might have issues with slipping in locker rooms, depending upon what type of product or surface that they have on their floors. So changing stalls and showers just may not always be the cleanest. So there's always that concern. So what I'm talking about here is what we're seeing is, taking kind of a portion of your basement and really kind of turning it into something where, let's say you still love going to the health club, but there are days that you want to be able to maybe get on a treadmill or a bike or even in your own sauna in the basement. So you're going to want to cut your basement in half. Usually a 1,800 square foot two-story home is going to give you about 1,000 square feet in a basement. So depending upon the size of your domicile, that will kind of dictate what that's going to look like. One of the things that we want to recommend, and I've actually kind of partake in a sauna at our local health club, is putting in a dry heat sauna. Something in the basement where, especially in the wintertime, and it's just nice to have at your home because it's your use only. And there again, it's kind of a clean thing. So if you're a little bit of a germaphobe, you definitely might want to be able to have something that it's been taken care of by you guys. So you can finish off the rest of the half basement maybe with a non-slip resistant flooring. You can also put the large rubber shock absorbing type pads down. There are some great like polyaspartic and epoxy coatings that are kind of slip resistant. So you might want to consider that in your basement. You may want to put just a couple benches down there, a stationary bike or a treadmill or some of the smaller items, just so you can have an active lifestyle when you're looking at, say in the wintertime and you're kind of don't feel like getting out and going out to the gym. It can be a little bit challenging, especially when we can have some tough weather situations here. So, it's a safer area for you. You're not around other people who may, be passing off germs, especially in the wintertime here. If you take good care of yourself and you're getting your vitamins and you're getting your exercise, the environment's a little bit cleaner. So it's an area that you can really, you can control the interior environment and not have to concern yourself with the environment at your gym or health club or at the environment outside. So, hey, I want to thank you again for joining us. I'm Mark, and we're at Discover Your Home, and we appreciate it, and you have yourself a great evening. Thanks again.